Hello and welcome to Blindingly Simple. Thank you for ordering your sample Roman blind kit. So let's see what you will receive in your box. Okay. Inside your box you will receive first of all a USB stick, and on that USB stick will be all that you will need to use to complete your Roman blind. But also you will have a set of comprehensive notes. Now in this set of comprehensive notes you will also have a set of Roman blind child safety regulations which we have to adhere to. This is not a choice. Legally we have to make Roman blinds so that they are child compliant, but we will talk more about that a little bit later on. Okay, and now inside your box, other than your notes, you will receive a cassette which will be 60 centimetres wide, and you'll use this to complete your Roman blind. You will receive a bottom bar and a set of rods. You will also receive a piece of buckram, which we will put again as we make our Roman blind. That will become more evident. You will also receive a metre of lining, so for you to make it. You will receive a metre of interlining to put into the middle of your Roman blind, which makes your Roman blind really nice and crisp and a really nice finish. You will receive a metre of top fabric so that you can make your Roman blind. And then you will also receive a reel of thread, some needles, some pins, and this little piece of plastic here is where all the magic happens, and it's a hem guide, and this will save you so much time when making Roman blinds and curtains. Also in this little box here you'll receive some orbs, some breakaway clips. Again, we will explain these a bit later on because at the moment they probably won't make a lot of sense, but they will do later on because they're all part and parcel of the child compliancy. What you're going to have to supply to complete this Roman blind, a basic sewing machine is absolutely fine. You don't need anything special. A pair of scissors, and you're going to need a tape measure. And going on from that, we're now going to start talking about measuring inside, outside, recess, etc., etc.